Georgia Institute of Technology is a large public university where research is taking place in a variety of different fields. Professors publish a number of papers across different research areas every year to various conferences. Our focus is on taking all this data and representing it visually for users to quickly see an overview of the data, make comparisons, browse to the data, and perhaps even gather insights. The visualization we have created is termed as a SOLAR diagram and has two broad categories: professors and keywords. The purpose of the SOLAR diagram is to show ongoing research areas in the College of Computing at Georgia Tech and various research papers being published every year by professors. Andrew is an undergraduate student at Georgia Tech who wants to explore different research areas, identify which professors are working in those areas, and what papers are being published. Andrew starts by creating a new domain sun since he first wants to explore research domains that are of interest to him. He types in keywords of research areas that interest him in the text box. The keywords appear in the center of the circle as a word cloud, with the size of the words representing the number of papers published. Professors who have published papers in those research areas surround the word cloud. The professor names are displayed radially as spokes of the circle. The dots surrounding the professor names represent papers published by professors for each of the keywords displayed. Hovering over the dots surrounding the sun magnifies the dot and displays the name of the paper, keyword, conference, and year in which it was published. The dots are ordered from oldest papers published at the base of the circle to most recent papers published at the tip. The dots are color-coded based on the conference in which it was published. Since rows of dots are arranged radially from least number of papers to most number of papers, Andrew can see the two professors who have published the most number of papers in his areas of interest. But what other research areas have these professors published papers in? Andrew now wants to further explore data for the two professors. He creates two professor suns by typing in the names of the professors in the text box. The keywords representing research domains that these professors have published papers in are displayed radially around the name of the professors. Looking at the two suns, Andrew sees that both professors have published papers in other research areas that he is curious about. He now wants to go back and add these new research areas to the existing domain sun. He can go back to the domain sun and type the new keywords in the text box, or he can just create a new sun. A maximum of 5 suns can be displayed on the screen at a time. He can also drag the different suns around the screen and place them at any location.